MimicPhoto AI is a brand new tool that's making waves in the AI world, and if you're considering using it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around until the end because I'm about to dive deep into what makes this software stand out, how it works, and whether it's truly worth your time. And as always, you can try MimicPhoto AI completely free through the first link in the description below. So, what is MimicPhoto AI? It's an innovative software that leverages artificial intelligence to help users create stunning photos with ease. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or someone who just loves experimenting with digital art, MimicPhoto promises to be a game changer. Now, let's jump into the key points you need to be aware of before jumping in. First, the software's main feature revolves around its ability to quickly generate realistic, AI-enhanced photos. Unlike other photo editing tools that require hours of manual adjustments, MimicPhoto AI uses deep learning algorithms to analyze and enhance images automatically. This makes it especially useful for anyone who needs high-quality visuals without the time or technical skills needed for traditional photo editing. One of the most impressive aspects of MimicPhoto AI is its ease of use. You don't need to be a professional designer to get stunning results. In fact, the interface is incredibly user-friendly, with a simple drag-and-drop feature that makes it easy to upload and start editing photos instantly. This makes it ideal for beginners or those who want quick results without the steep learning curve. Now, let's talk about customization. While MimicPhoto AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, it doesn't lock you out of creativity. It offers a variety of presets and filters, but you can also fine-tune adjustments manually. From lighting enhancements to color correction, the software gives you the flexibility to adjust every detail to match your exact needs. Another key feature is its AI-powered style mimicry. This is where the software truly shines. It can replicate different artistic styles like vintage, futuristic, or abstract, making it perfect for creating unique visuals for your projects. Whether you're designing a social media post, a website banner, or even digital art for a campaign, MimicPhoto AI helps you elevate your creative work with just a few clicks. For marketers, MimicPhoto AI offers an excellent tool for content creation. With its high-quality photo generation, you can create professional-grade images for ads, blogs, social media posts, and more without having to hire a photographer or purchase expensive stock images. This could save you both time and money in the long run, especially if you're running digital campaigns or need visuals for websites on a regular basis. One of the most noteworthy benefits of MimicPhoto AI is the speed. It processes photos in a fraction of the time it would take to manually edit them, and the quality is still top tier. Whether you're working on a time-sensitive project or just need to get something out quickly, this software ensures you don't have to compromise on quality for the sake of efficiency. Now, a quick heads up, MimicPhoto AI is still in its early stages, so while it's already offering impressive results, there are some limitations. The library of filters and styles, while extensive, is still growing. So if you're someone who needs a very niche style or effect, it might not be available yet. But the software is being updated regularly, so we can expect more options soon. Finally, one of the best things about MimicPhoto AI is that you can try it for free. There's no commitment required, so if you're curious but not sure about diving in just yet, you can test it out and see if it works for your needs. This gives you the freedom to experiment without any pressure. In conclusion, MimicPhoto AI is shaping up to be one of the best tools for anyone looking to streamline their photo editing process. It combines speed, ease of use, and powerful AI technology to deliver stunning results without the hassle. If you're in the market for a tool that can help you generate professional-looking photos in record time, this is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in exploring more AI software, I've listed my recommended tools in the description below, including other amazing free trials. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones